What's up, Walter? You good, man? You good? Give me 5, man. Give me 5. Give me 5. No? You good? You ain't Walter. You Rip. Shit, I don't even know my cats. Motherfucker. Yo, man, what you doing on the counter? You think because you're 21 years old, you just do whatever you want? Huh? You just do whatever you want? You want to punch in the face? Huh? You don't weigh but a pound. Shit. Later, bro. Yo, Walter, bro. What are you doing? What you doing? You're right in the sun. I can't see you, bro. What are you doing? Hmm? Yeah? You all look alike, you know. Just saying. Just saying. You good, bro? Here, come here. Come over here. Yo. Hey. I feed you. Walk over here. Where you going? Yo, man. Where you going? Why you about to dodge on me? Come here. Let me see you. Good boy. All right. Yeah. We're just missing your crazy sister. Oh, wait. There she is. One-eyed psychopath. All right. See you. Bye.